welcome back to our channel. Last time you saw Lou was many months ago. I think she was only like 3 months and she is now turning 11 months this month, which is just mind-blowing to me. I'm really excited to be back and plan on staying here as well. I've got a lot of things planned for this channel and we're starting off with a brand new playlist. I'm going to do a collection of videos in this playlist that's like try this with us, and that will involve like baking together, trying new foods with Luna, just trying new everything really, because everything is new to us. We're first-time parents. We really are kind of winning our way through this. I thought it'd be really nice to do these new things together. They are breadcrumbs. I've currently got this carrier on. Wow, they're breadcrumbs. I think it's called Sinara or Sinara. They've just sent me this. We've got it in black as well. Lou is so heavy and she just wants to be attached to the hip all the time. It's quite a good carry. It goes over the shoulder and then you just kind of scoop your child under this. It is for I think 9 or 10 months and over, so she just qualifies. It's more of like a toddler thing, but I am wondering if I should put her in a high chair because we are cooking for this first video. We are trying out this book, Joe Wick's Weaning 15. My sister loves it for her daughter Ophelia. We picked up a couple of ingredients the other day because we're going to put together some broccoli cauliflower tots. It looks pretty easy, pretty simple. We don't always have the time to like prepare everything from scratch because she's well into weaning now and life is still pretty busy. She does wave. Do you want to say hello? Do you want to wave? Wave to the camera. No, she just wants the breadcrumbs. What about Dad? She loves saying dad. Ali loves it, as you can imagine. Apparently it's normal for her to say dad first over mum because it's apparently easy to say. So that softens the blow a little bit. But even with this carry on, I think it might still be a little bit difficult. So I'm going to pop her in the high chair there. So for this recipe, you need oregano, garlic granules, onion granules, cheddar cheese, breadcrumbs, some eggs, olive oil for greasing, broccoli and cauliflower. So I've got the kettle going, that's what the noise is, and I've got the oven heating up. It says to preheat the oven to a 180 fan. Get to 400, 404, that'll do. Let's get the frozen veg away. We're gonna pop this in boiling water. So that is cooking. It was actually Ali that had this idea. You okay, honey? Like while I'm trying out this new things for Luna. Why don't I film it? Baba, how can I cook you lunch if you just want to be held all the time? Instead of it just being like family vlogs on here. So yeah, I thought it was a really nice idea. So big up to Daddy. Yeah, I just put her back in her chair and I'm going to give her some of these while she waits. They are the veggie sticks. We genuinely could not live without these. They save us in very stressful situations. There you go, baby, and she loves them. Okay, so while that's cooking, we are gonna do the rest of the ingredients. So I need 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of onion granules, and same with garlic granules, 1 teaspoon of this. It's then 80 grams of cheddar cheese, finely grated. And it does say all the ingredients go in together, apart from the olive oil. I'm just going in with the Marks Spencer's British mild cheddar. Okay, so let's grate the cheese. We only give it to her for lunch or like snacks because we felt it was giving her nightmares, and also it can constipate them apparently. So yeah, we're gonna cut down on the cheese a little bit, Lou. Okay, so 80 grams of this. Okay, cheese done. Now onto the eggs. We need 2 of these whisked. Look at that. Wow. Okay, so that is the veg done, and it says to finely chop the veg. While that's cooling down, let's add 50 grams of breadcrumbs. We're gonna pop all of this in. I know, honey, this is for you. Then we have to grease the tray with some olive oil. Let's work that over. I'm gonna take my ring off because we're gonna mix it all together with our hands. Does that look good? But you'll be able to pick it up and eat that. I know, honey. This is one of the most popular recipes that Joe has shared on Instagram. I'm not sure if I've done them too big because it says it makes about 24 and I've kind of got half of that. Pop them in the oven and see how they come out. They only take 15 minutes. Oh my gosh, look at these. These look so good, they smell amazing. And they haven't grown much, which is a good thing. And looking at the photo, I think I've done pretty well. They're probably just a little bit fat. If I was to do them next time, I'd probably do them a little bit thinner, a little bit smaller. What do you think, Lou? What do you think? I think this is a success, guys. Yay! Clapping! Clapping! Good girl! Shh. She is absolutely destroying these. I am so happy that we've found something new for her to have. Sometimes you're so overwhelmed just with day-to-day life with a baby. You can't even think to like get creative, and babies can be so fussy. So I'm so glad that she's eating this. Look at her go. Well done, Lou. These are just so good. Mummy's eating them too. She loves it when we're eating like the exact same food. I'm really excited to be back onto YouTube again with a little addition to the fam. Thank you. I'll eat these bits. With a bit of garlic mayo, 10 out of 10. But yeah, if you want to go and shop this book, The Wean in 15 by Joe Wicks, I've linked it under the video. And if there's anything in particular you want me to film for YouTube, please let us know in the comments. Are we going to thank them for watching? Thank you for watching. So please subscribe. Yay, you ready? See you later, guys.